as you said, you're very particular about things. We have seen you dancing, amazing dancer. We have seen you acting. So, is there any particular person who's really inspired you, you look up to you, or it just from different people you have picked up and
No, I
you've
think it's
become who
just
you
from
are?
different people. I
Yeah.
observe, I interact.
Mm,
The profession just helps you meet so many people
mm,
in your day-to-day life
mm,
that you kind of, all my co-actors, my senior actors, my co-artists that I've worked with, uh, not one particular person. I wouldn't say that this like I've looked up to and she's my idol or he's my idol. No,
mm.
I think it's I have just observed,
Okay.
and I feel I just take whatever I relate to,
Mm,
and I feel okay, let me attempt, maybe I can do this.
mm,
Let me attempt this, then sometimes I listen to somebody's speech and I'm like, wow, I wish I could speak like that. And then that's how I worked on my dialect, I would say my speech, or my a command over a particular
mm.
language. And every day I feel, every time I look at someone playing the sitar, and I feel I'm still getting myself back to it. I mean, I wish I could give 1 hour every day to it. And
But
I
just about to come to sitar, like, playing sitar, like how,
Yeah.
when you were already learning Kathak or you're
Yeah,
a Kathak dancer,
in
so how
school.
come sitar?
No, in school we had a hobby.
Right.
And I remember I had a choice of taking cooking and home science and PT, and dad said, no, why don't you just take sitar, because
Hmm.
you're already learning music, the
Right.
vocal, and dance to hai hi. So it'll just complete this whole thing of um, overall music,
Hmm.
overall
Hmm.
sangeet. So I started learning, and I used to play for school annual functions. तो फिर हम खरीद के एक सितार घर ले आए थे. Dad specially ordered it from Calcutta, and that sitar I still have.
Okay.
So that is the most prized possession that I have at home. The sitar and the tanpura, they're almost like more than 35 years old.
Hmm.
They're still at my house. And uh, uh, so yes, I purely took it as a hobby. And then I had the same school teacher coming home to teach me.
Okay.
Yeah, because he said, आपकी बेटी अच्छा बजाती है, तो would you like to take personal classes?
Hmm.
So dad said, एक और सही. By then my dance was a personal class, my music was a personal class, and I've never learnt in a group. I've
Right.
always learnt with the guru. And yeah, so abhi I got back to it. I mean, of course, I used to play now and then, now and then, now and then, but COVID is when I actually got back to it, because you just realize you had all the time in the world.
Right.
And I started learning online,
Hmm.
and back, and you realize that these are certain arts
Hmm.
that you never forget.
Right.
So it's not like I'd forgotten what I had learned. I literally picked up from where I left. Practice, the smoothness of it will only come after Riyaz.
Hmm.
But and then I thought, wow, if I can do this with like no practice for years together. So imagine if I practice every day for an hour.
Right.
एंड वो कोशिश जारी है. एवरी 6 मंथ्स मैं जागती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. आई सेड, बट फिर वही प्रायोरिटीज आ जाती हैं कि ओके, नो, इट्स फर्स्ट डांस, एंड देन सो जस्ट ट्राइंग टू स्क्वीज इन दैट एक्स्ट्रा 1 hour in the week right now. I hope I can get back to it. Yeah, I will.